So today I'm gonna present about our homework, which is exercise 2. So in the exercise, they asked us to write the letter diagram to control the parking lot that contain only 10 cars in the area. So first, I let X0 be the on-off switch to start the system, and I used X1 and X2 be the sensor at both gates respectively, and Y1 and Y2 represent the output in each gate. And in the ladder diagram, as you see, I used pause function here and here with the on-off switch. So when we activate on-off switch, the on-off switch will be provide only one pulse to the system. And since the parking area will contain only 10 cars in maximum, so I used add function and add function to add 10K in the install in the DO. And here, when in the diagram, I used and in this line, I used rising edge with push button at 1, which the function incd1, meaning when we press the push button once, the system will plus 1, and I connect, or I write push button X2 with rising edge function through the DECD1, meaning when we press push button X2 once, the system will minus 1. And here, this line here, since the parking lot can contain only 10 cars, so when I use this logic expression with contact with relay MO, so when D1 greater than D0 or when D1 greater than 10, so M1 will activate and the Y1 will turn off automatically. And I used on switch X0 to reset the function BO and reset function D0 D1, meaning when I close the on switch, the system will reset automatically. So let's see my simulation. So here is I wrote this diagram in the th function. So when I start turn on the system, and then the all will count to 10, and then when I press push button 1, Y1 will turn on and then it turn off, meaning one car already passed through the gate. And 2, 3, 4. And then when I press X2, Y2 will turn on, meaning one car already come out the gate or already leave the gate at the exit gate. So if I continue to press it until 8, 9, 10, and 11. So here, meaning parking lot already full. So even I press X1, Y1 will not turn on, meaning the gate will close forever or will not turn on anymore, will open anymore.